Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the call waiting on this device. So if you'd like to hear the sound if someone is calling you whilst you are talking with someone else, then all you have to do is simply enter the dialer, and let's tap on this three dots icon. Now let's tap on the settings, and here we've got the supplementary services, so let's enter here. As you can see, I do not have my SIM card inserted, so it could be a problem, but if you will have your own inside your device, then everything will be activated, and all you have to look at is the call waiting, which is right here. And here we've got the info that you will hear a sound if you get a call when you're already on the phone. So all you have to do in order to activate that is simply tap on the switcher right here, and because I do not have my SIM inserted, that's what I said just before, then I cannot activate that, but I promise you that after tapping on it you will be able to activate that, and from now on this option will be applied, of course, and you will hear a sound exactly when you will be on the phone. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want. Just go back, just recreate all these steps, and tap on the switcher and make sure that it will look like it. So now it is deactivated. So well, actually that's all. This is how to enable the call waiting in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.